Whoa. Back getting out of gear there, like. Tight squeeze, but it's alright. Nelly?
Yeah, be careful.
I'm trying.
You'll come across on mine.
I know. Once again. Need some let some air out that back tyre when I get home. Stop it from sliding everywhere. Very dangerous on this bit. Very, very dangerous. Quite a bit of path. Slow it down once I get on the arrow. There's the old bridge getting rebuilt, and that's dangerous on these bits around here. I came off my bike a couple of summers ago. Literally just on this bit where the grit is, I came flying off and I split my head open, so I'm not making that mistake twice. Here's lunch, a bacon, smoked bacon with brown sauce, and there's a beef sausage sandwich in there with ketchup. I've literally just checked the GoPro and apparently I didn't hit record when I came from underneath the bridge to here. I'm going to eat this, drink some of my tea, and I'm going to debate if I'm going along that way. There's quite a lot of people that I can see. I don't know if you can see them that good on the camera, but there is quite a lot of people there, so I might not go that way. Thinking about going up that way, round the train station bit. So I'm gonna eat my bacon sandwich and I'll see you soon. Peace! Don't give the so-and-so bread. If I can make it in time. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Got one bit for you at the back bow. Yeah. Oh. Get it then. Whoa. I'm trying to be nice and give you some dinner and you're hissing at us. Mad cunt. So there's my new two pals. I thought they were hissing at me, but they were hissing at that dog. Just literally took us about 5 minutes to get up that bit with the bike, so I don't know how hard it's going to be, but I'm walking it. I've got the B Malone shoes on because they are really good in snow, but against ice a little bit slippy. But I'm going to be putting the bike in the grass, and I've only just had it in the car wash yesterday or the day before. Well, when I say car wash I mean the jet wash, but it's alright on the path bit. But look at that, man, for a view. I will be doing a video where I go all the way along the river.
The B Malone shoes are absolutely amazing, but against ice, no, it's no good, I'm slipping. But I will get up here. If I stay to the See, when you're in snow, it's amazing. It's just when you're on the ice, the shoes slip all over the place, just like my back wheel. And you get some more air taken out of it. I'll do that when I get home. I've not fell yet. Touch wood, tap in my head, but I ain't got a brain. There's halfway, but the other half to go.
Second, let's go. Sticking on the grass like because I'm not falling the day like. Can't be bothered to go to hospital. I'll try my best not to split my head open. Even though all you guys would love us to split my head open.
I used to smoke weed up there as a kid.
Used to get absolutely mortal as well. Quick claim, I don't do drugs, kids. When I've got the dog, if you had it on Snapchat, you would know this. So if you've not followed me on Snapchat, there'll be a link in the description with all my social media, so make sure you follow us. But I normally sit there with the dog for about an hour and play with her with the ball, and she just loves it, doing laps around here. I love my little Dottie, she's a saviour. Hopefully she's going to be having puppies in the summer as well, so that's something to look forward to. You can see they put grit down on here, why not the rest of the path? It's an absolute joke, the council in this town. They're honestly a proper joke. Simple. Right, I'm going to cut the camera off now, but you can see where I'm going. Alright, Paul. It's alright on this path, but I'd watch the second one, it's very slippy.
Right, thank you. What's it like down at the bottom?
Even worse.
On the
Once
road?
it took me about a good couple of minutes to get up the little hill.
What about on the flat doing it by the river?
Oh, that's not as bad. It's alright there.
Right,
Thank you for holding the gate. Thank you. See, it's all about being polite and being nice to people. Be nice and good will return to you. Coronavirus. St. Abs! Miserable cunt.